freelancer.com for beginners. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to freelance.com. Make your account. In this example, we're using Gmail to sign up. Once your account is created, select your top skill by choosing a category. Here, we're selecting JavaScript and web development. After that, link your LinkedIn or Facebook account to verify your identity. Enter your full name as it appears on your ID. Next, describe a bit about yourself in the profile section so clients can understand your background. You will also need to provide your language proficiency and your birth date. Once that's complete, connect your payment method so you can receive earnings. Then, add your professional experience to strengthen your profile. With everything set up, you can start looking for jobs. Use the search bar to type in the kind of job you want. Scroll down the results to find one that suits your skills and interests. When you find a job you like, enter your price on the bid form. After that, submit your bid by clicking the button to start bidding. If your bid is accepted and you win a job, you can begin working and get paid.